AlterBase is a community-curated software alternative discovery directory, not an AI-native backend or data platform, and its purpose is to help developers and small teams find affordable or lesser-known software alternatives in 2025. The platform simplifies software discovery by offering a curated library where users can compare tools by features, pricing, and use cases across many categories, including developer, productivity, and marketing software. AlterBase does not provide backend services, APIs, databases, or infrastructure like Superbase or AI-native data platforms, but instead helps users identify tools that might fulfill those roles. Early traction shows interest from launch platforms like Product Hunt, though independent user reviews are still limited due to its early stage. Users appreciate the faster discovery of cost-effective tools, while some note the directory is still small and would benefit from deeper reviews and better filtering. Overall, AlterBase serves as a useful software discovery and comparison resource, ideal for finding the right tools but not for directly building or hosting applications.